Welcome to Liz Spartic. Today, we are going to learn how to write statements in SQL. In this lesson, we'll learn the fundamental concepts of SQL statements, understand how to create and manipulate tables, and explore the importance of data through constraints. Let's get started. Understanding SQL statements. SQL is a standard language used to interact with relational databases. SQL statements are commands that allow you to perform various operations on the data stored in these databases. Types of SQL statements. SQL statements can be categorized into several types based on their functionality. Data query language, DQL, is used to query and retrieve data from the database. Example, select. Data manipulation language, DML, is used to manipulate data within the database. Examples, insert, update, and delete. Data definition language, DDL, is used to define and manage the structure of the database. Example, create, alter, drop. Data control language is used to control access to data in the database. Example, grant and revoke. Basic syntax of SQL statements. SQL statements generally follow a structured syntax that includes keywords, clauses, and expressions. While SQL is case insensitive, it is common practice to write keywords in uppercase for better readability. Creating tables. The create table statement is used to define a new table in the database. This statement specifies the table name and the columns it will contain, including their data types. Here is an example. In this example, the create table clause indicates that a new table is being created. Fruits is the name of the table. The columns in the table are the ID column, the name column, and the price column. In the ID column, it receives integer values, and this serves as the primary key, which uniquely identifies each record in the table. The name column is a text field for the name of the fruit. The price column receives real number inputs, representing the price of the fruit. Data types overview. Understanding data types is crucial for effective database design. Integer is a data type used for whole numbers, example 1 and 100. Real is a data type used for floating point numbers, allowing decimal points, example 10.5, 3.14. Text is a data type used for strings of text, example apple, banana. Inserting data. The insert into statement is used to add new rows to a table. This operation allows you to populate your tables with data. Additional insertion examples. Here is how to add multiple records to a table. Querying data. The select statement is used to retrieve data from the database. This is one of the most commonly used SQL commands. Here is an example. To select all data from the fruits table, we use select star from fruits. Updating data. The update statement allows you to modify existing records in a table. This is essential for maintaining accurate and current data. In this example, the update keyword indicates which table to update, The set keyword specifies which column to change and the new value. The where keyword is used in the clause and it determines which records will be updated. Omitting it will update all records. Deleting data. The delete from statement is used to remove all records from a table. It is important to use this command with caution. In this example, delete from is a clause that specifies a table from which to delete records. Where identifies which records to remove. And without the where clause, all records in the table will be deleted. Constraints. Constraints are rules applied to columns in a database table to enforce data integrity. They ensure that the data entered into the database is accurate and reliable. Common types of constraints. Primary key. It uniquely identifies each record in a table. A table can only have one primary key. Unique. It ensures that all values in a column are different. Not null. It ensures that a column cannot contain null values. Every entry must have a value. Default. It sets a default value for a column when no value is specified during an insert operation. In this example, the ID column is the primary key. We set the name column to unique. The price column cannot contain null values. And the default color for unspecified records is not specified. Importance of constraints. For data integrity, constraints ensure that only valid data is entered into the database. For error prevention, constraints help prevent invalid data from being stored, thereby reducing errors and inconsistencies. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like these.